Hello viewers, in this video we are discussing the overview of urea cycle. Urea is the end product of amino acid metabolism. The nitrogen released from amino acids is converted to ammonia, which is toxic to the body. So in most of the terrestrial animals it is converted to urea and detoxified. As such, urea accounts for 80 to 90% of the nitrogen containing substances excreted in the urine. Urea is synthesized in liver and transported to kidneys for excretion in urine. In 1932, Krebs and Hensley proposed that urea is formed in the liver by a cyclic process in which ornithine is converted first to citrulline and then to arginine. The hydrolytic cleavage of arginine produces the urea and regenerates ornithine. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.